Hey, Chris. What is this? I'm really having a hard time doing this thing. This is the third time that I'm doing this.
Let me help you with this, Elmer.
What to do
This
with
is super easy. Just
Okay.
in a few simple steps, you'll have this all ready to go and get it back to us to where you'll have your results back quickly.
Easy for you to say.
It's very simple. You've got a whole kit here, and it'll have all your instructions and stuff in it. The instructions are pretty simple. A few things that are going to make this real easy for you and get your results back quickly. The main thing that we have is people not putting the date on it. So as soon as you get it, make sure that you put your date, record your date on this sample right here.
I see. That's
Without
the one I
that, we
did do.
can't process this very quickly.
Okay.
The other thing is when you get ready to do it, you see it's just a little stick. And when you collect it from your stool sample, only a little dab is all you need. Just a little dab will do. Put it right back into your container. Snap it.
Okay.
Make sure it's sealed. You'll put it into your biohazard bag with the little absorbent pad that's in there. Seal it and put it in your envelope. Next, quickly take it to the mail. Put it in your mailbox immediately, or take it to the post office so that we can get this back and processed for you before the expiration date of viability for it.
Okay. I guess I'll just get around to it when I can. Thank you.
What I want you to do
Yeah?
is make sure that you get it done quickly. These
Okay.
things are timed, and the more you delay it, it can delay the time that you get your results back. And it's a colorectal cancer screening.
Alright.
Early detection is the key for this. I lost my uncle this past year. He was 56 years old
Really?
and had no outward signs. And if he would have gotten this colorectal exam, the FIT test done, he probably still would be alive today. So I want to make sure you get your results back, and that you have the tools you need to take care of your health.
Okay. Good to know that, Chris. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I want this to go easy for you, and I want the same kind of, I want you to get your results back. It's
Okay.
important for both of us at our age now.
Yeah, because this is the first time I'm doing this, so it's a poop in the stick.
Yep, simple. Poop on little dab on the
Okay.
stick and put your date on it. Make sure you get it in the mail quickly as possible.
Okay. I guess the third time is a charm. Thank you.